Hello, hello, hello. We're back another day, another photo. This is our photo. Let us edit. Bring that up a bit. Blue texture, a little bit of clarity, not too crazy. Splash with some denoise and some colors, some details, some sharpening. Now we shall mask. How's everybody's day going? Hope everyone's doing good. Let me know down in the comments if your day has been great. It's been an alright day. I have a terrible pain in my right leg. I was like walking around. My cousin's got his mom over. We were all walking around at the casino. And my foot is like asleep and it feels like it's full of fluid. My calf feels tight and broken. It doesn't feel great. So, anyway, enough of my bitching. Who cares? Let's bring that up a little bit. Contrast. Duplicate, invert said mask. Bring that down a bit. that is our photo for today. Simple, sweet, nice. It's nice. I appreciate it. I like it. I hope you guys appreciate it and like it too. And we will see you tomorrow for the next video. Go to squeakydoorproductions.com, and if you're a photographer or you just want to see how good your photos are, go and try the Rate My Photo app. Give it a test out, see what you think. And if you are in the Spokane area and on Mother's Day you are trying to find something to do, we are teaming up with Rent-A-Center down the road and going to be doing a free photo for mothers and anybody that shows up that wants a free photo. And you can shop at Rent-A-Center and take a look at it. So check us out and hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.